It's the great match between India and England. England have created such a horrific situation for India, but now India have built a great partnership. We will see the scorecard. India have built the great partnership, and this partnership is between Rudra and Akshat. India was 115 runs and 5 downs, but when then the storm named Rudra came in the middle, and rest is the history. Rudra have scored 97 runs in 52 balls. Will he able to score his first 100 in the land of England? Let's see. क्या इसी बॉल पे वो सेंचुरी लगेगी? नहीं नहीं, थोड़ा सा इंतजार. ये भी अच्छी गेंद है. चलिए, दिस इज अ वेरी गुड बॉल. अक्षत को भी थोड़े से हाथ खोलने होंगे. 28 गेंदों पे 30 बनाए हैं. एंड दिस इज अ ब्यूटीफुल बाउंड्री एंड इट्स फॉर द फोर्थ. Akshat have also opened his hands. He is also contributing some runs for the India. At one point of time, India was struggling very much, but then the two warriors came, Akshat and Rudra, and they have created such a great partnership and kept India alive in this match. Single for Akshat. Rudra is on the strike. 54 ball, 97 runs. What a magnificent and beautiful knock. Rudra want to take the double. Will he able to complete double? Yes, he will. The batsman is on 99. If he will able to score one run, and it's the history. It's the history for Rudra. He have completed his first century for India and its first century in England. What a magnificent knock, my boy. He have thrashed the England bowlers here and there. When India was in trouble, then Rudra have scored that century. You need a lot of courage, lot of patience, lot of beautiful skills to play that type of knock in the land of the England. And that's the beautiful shot from Akshat. Akshat have also contributed a great role in this partnership, and India have scored a beautiful runs on the scoreboard. 250 is a fighting total for India, and India have a great bowling lineup. It's the single for the Akshat. Rudra is on the strike. The centurion of this match. Centurion of the today. And it's the end of the great knock. Whole stadium is stand. Whole stand. Whole stadium is praising this young boy who have played and thrashed the England on their surgery. Beautiful knock, my boy. You will achieve great milestone in future. Divyan Shep came. He have taken the single. You can see whole people who are available in this stadium. They are standing for the Rudra and clapping for him. Single on the last ball, 254 for 6 India. We will see, will India will able to defend the total or England will win the first match of this series.